Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to virus scan on your Samsung Galaxy A20E. To this operation, go to your settings, device care, go to your security, and here you can scan your phone if it doesn't have any virus or problem in it. This takes some while here. Okay, we are already on the end. Voila! We are not risk complete. We don't have any virus. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!